Hello everyone, welcome back to my workshop where today I'm going to be looking at these Marksman industrial rubber gloves that were very kindly sent to me by Richard & Brothers or Brosco. I'll put a link down the bottom here, and there'll also be a link to their website in the descriptive text down below. So let's get them out and have a look at them. Put the bag over there, and here we are, guys. Here are the gloves themselves. These are made with 100% natural rubber latex, apparently, so I understand, and they can withstand quite a lot of tough usage. They're very highly durable. You can probably see the got little dimples in the palm and on the fingers and thumbs here for extra grip. Apparently you can use them for chemical protection. They're perfect for sandblasting, agriculture, farming, metal plating and chemical handling. Now I haven't got any chemicals here at Rathbone Manor, so I can't really test them with chemicals, but they certainly feel nice and good quality gloves. As you can see, they're quite long. They're actually 13 inches long apparently. The size I have is 9.5, size 9.5 gloves. They do them in various sizes, obviously. They feel actually very nice. They feel a very nice quality to them, especially, you know, as you're wearing them, you can feel them. As you can see, you can handle like a pair of pliers with them. What about a pen? Yeah, you can use a pen with them. So you can quite a lot of feeling to them. I mean, I can feel these little steps in this wedge block here. I can feel the little steps in there. Feel all the details to it. They're quite sensitive things. I have a little bit of insulation here and a little bit of a copper conductor. I've got the gloves on. Well, there's the insulation, so I can pick that up nicely. Oops. Oh, not quite. Yeah, I can. Yeah, I've got it. Finally got it. Got the copper insulator there. Obviously not designed for that sort of thing, but as you can see, I've got a bag of building sand here. Get in there. Yes, so you can. They'll definitely handle sand all right. There we go. That's about. I think it's about as agriculture as I can get, really. A bag of building sand. Okay, so how easy are they to clean up? Let's take a look. Get some antibacterial soap going on them. Yep, it's coming off quite easily, guys. Get some hot soapy water going on them. There you go. Nice hot soapy water all over them. So it'd probably be good for Mrs Rathbone to do the washing up with, I guess, really, as well. She also seems to think they might be quite good for, like, you know, in your home, cleaning toilets and whatever, because they are quite long. I've managed to clean the sand off them quite nicely, as you can see. Yeah, washing up maybe, probably a bit over the top for washing up. But cleaning toilets, general cleaning duties where chemicals are involved, gardening maybe, industrial usage, farming, etc. Chemical handling, definitely. They also say that you can use them in a media blaster too, so they must be pretty tough if you can actually use them in a media blaster. So these little things are made from 100% natural rubber latex. It does actually say on the packaging here to, after use, wash in warm water, keep gloves away from direct heat and strong sunlight, so they'll probably go a bit funny if you left them in the sunlight too long, or on the top of a radiator or whatever. But they're very nice and comfortable, actually. To get your size, the size you're going to need, you have to measure across here. You can find size charts online anywhere, just from there to there. Mine came up as large. I have to buy large gloves, and these fit me, as you can see, fit me absolutely perfectly, actually, to be honest with you. The orange line, there's a slightly different colour inside. You can see some of the black coming through here in places there. But yeah, they're a very nice pair of gloves actually. So I'd like to thank it's Richard and Brothers actually. They contacted me and asked me if I would like to try these gloves out, and they also sent these 3 very cool tape measures for me to take a look at, because that's how I believe they started their business, making tape measures. And these 3 will be appearing in a review of mine very shortly indeed, guys, and they're also very easy to get off too. Done. Okay then, so I'd like to thank my friends at Rebrosco here for sending these in. Very nice pair of gloves indeed. I'm sure before long Mrs Rathbone will have the hands on these. They're a bit big for her, but no doubt she'll be using them, and if she doesn't use them, I'm sure I can find a use for them. They're quite nice actually. Industrial rubber gloves from Rebrosco. Let me know what you think, guys. If you have a use for rubber gloves, will these be of any use to you? And so you can use them for a wide range of applications, and they're very comfortable to wear too. Alright then guys, so thanks for watching, thanks for popping over, and I hope you'll pop by again, and I'll catch you laters.